How to buy Steam gift card on Amazon. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to buy Steam gift card on Amazon. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Amazon website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm going to search for a Steam gift card, and in order to find one, I can just click Steam gift card right here and it will show me this one. Apparently this is not available, but if it is available, you can just add it to your cart and buy it, and they will give you a digital code itself that you can redeem on Steam itself. So after you get the digital code after buying this one, after they send you the digital code to your email or to your Gmail account, you can just go back to your Steam application and go to your wallet. So you can just find it in your top right corner in your profile right here. Just click this one, and as you can see, you can just view your wallet. And right here, as you can see, there will be an option where you can redeem a Steam gift card, and you just need to paste right here the digital code that they send to you, and just click continue, and yeah, that the funds will automatically be added in your wallet. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can buy Steam gift card on Amazon. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.